Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today, we're diving into a cool Magisk module that can significantly enhance your device's graphics performance. It's called Graphich Enhanced, and it's designed to boost HDR performance and 4K rendering capabilities. What is Graphich Enhanced? Graphich Enhanced is a Magisk module that tweaks your device's graphics settings to optimize for HDR and 4K content. Think of it as a graphics booster that helps your device display images and videos with more vibrant colors, deeper blacks, and brighter whites. This module works by modifying system-level graphics parameters. It's essentially fine-tuning your device's display settings to better handle high dynamic range content. If your device is already capable of HDR, this module can help it reach its full potential. Before you install Graphich Enhanced, it's important to check if your device is compatible with HDR. Not all devices are equipped with the necessary hardware to support HDR. Find the download link for Graphich Enhanced in the video description below. Open Magisk and go to the Modules section. Tap the Install from the Storage button and select the downloaded module. Flash it. Once you've installed the module, it's time to see if it's made a difference. Try playing HDR content or watching 4K videos. You should notice improved color accuracy, contrast, and overall visual quality. Graphich Enhanced is a great Magisk module for anyone who wants to enhance their device's graphics performance. Just remember to check your device's compatibility before installing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech tips and tutorials.